When planning a Disney World vacation, one of the things you may be wondering is where should I stay whenever I'm visiting Disney World? There are many options, whether you stay on Disney property or off Disney property. But today I want to introduce you to the Wyndham Lake Buena Vista and share with you why it is a great place to stay when visiting Disney World. One of the main perks of the Wyndham Lake Buena Vista is its close proximity to Disney Springs. You can quite literally see the entrance of Disney Springs in the background of the sign where the Wyndham is located. Here's the entrance walking into the lobby. They do have valet services available, and everyone is always very accommodating and helpful if you have any questions when getting into the hotel. We've made it into the lobby now. As you can see, the lobby is very open and spacious. It's very welcoming. Everyone that works here is very welcoming, very helpful, will ask you if you need any help. There is a great front desk area to help check you in, any guest services, if you need help with tickets and planning as far as your theme park vacation goes. But also there's a lot of great amenities in this lobby. There is a first aid area if you need to go and get any type of first aid items during your visit. Not only that, there are a bunch of dining opportunities inside of the lobby. Behind me is the Eclipse Lounge. This is a great area to come and relax after a long day at the parks, a long day at Disney Springs. You can come get a nice drink here. They have amazing charcuterie boards. That is a very unique thing to have at a hotel. To the left of the entrance is the Sundial Cafe and also a fully equipped Joffrey's coffee and tea. This is a perfect option if you're looking for a grab and go item or something easy to take with you whenever you're just grabbing your bus to go to the theme parks. It has very great grab and go items, or if you're craving a snack in the evening, you can come down and pick one up after your park day. And there's a full Joffrey's coffee where you can quickly get your coffee. You can have on the app, it can show you where your bus is at so you know you won't miss it. You can quickly get it to go to the parks. Now, something you may not know is that here at the Wyndham, this is an official Walt Disney World resort. When you're walking around, you do see a lot of great Disney touches that help spread the Disney magic whenever you're back here at your hotel. There are lots of great photo opportunities to come and take advantage of whenever you're staying at the Wyndham. Whether you snap these before or after your trip, it's a great way to remember your experience. I mean, here we come to meet R2-D2. How cool is that? Another dining option here is the Lakeview Restaurant, where you can get a very good breakfast before your park day. They even have Mickey waffles, which I am a huge fan of and highly recommend. But this is a full buffet style breakfast. They also have made to order omelets, cereal, anything you might need to get some morning fuel before your park day. One of the big perks of staying at the Wyndham Lake Buena Vista is there is theme park transportation available to get you to all 4 of the Disney World theme parks. You simply make a reservation through the Fabulous Buses booking website and you're able to get onto a bus to take you to the parks. Let me show you how to do that. This is the front side of the Wyndham Lake Buena Vista and also the area where you can come and get your theme park bus to take you to all 4 of the Disney World theme parks. There are benches where you can easily sit and wait for your bus, but they also have an option where you can actually track where your bus is at so you know where it's at and where you need to be in order to get it. Behind me you see the new Oasis Aquatic pool playground area. It is a beautiful sunrise this morning. It's great to come out and see the pool in the background. This pool area features 2 large pools. There are interactive water features. You can see the playground in the background, and there's also a large hot tub to take advantage of. But not only that, when you are in the pool area, if you're looking for a bite to eat, you can head on over to the Oasis bar and restaurant to grab a nice poolside snack or a meal for your evening. This is a close view of the pool area. You can see both of the large pools here. Here's one, and then the other pool has the water playground inside of it. Look, the big bucket's about to drop. Look at that. That would be so cool and relaxing for after a hot day at the theme parks. And then up here, you can go to the spa or the hot tub area. It's a nice little hot tub that could also be relaxing after a long park day. There are also multiple cabanas that you can reserve during your stay here for a pool day. All you have to do is go see the bartender and you can make a reservation to have a cabana for your day here at the pool. The Oasis pool menu, they have a lot of great items to choose from. As far as frozen cocktails go, I was able to try the fuzzy mango. It was a very refreshing drink to have on a hot day. And there are a lot of great food items as well. I personally tried the Caesar salad with chicken on it. Very delicious, I highly recommend. When coming on a Disney World vacation, I usually recommend having a break day in between your park days, whether it's for a pool day or for resort hopping. And this pool is definitely one that will give you a relaxing day from the parks. Now here at the Wyndham Lake Buena Vista, this is home to 2 Wyndham locations. We have the Wyndham Garden Lake Buena Vista and the Wyndham Lake Buena Vista. We've seen a lot of the resort's amenities. Let's go ahead and take a room tour of both of the room options you can expect to see here at the Wyndham Lake Buena Vista. So here we are in our courtyard view room with our 2 double beds in the background. Let's go ahead and do a quick little room tour so you can see some of the amenities that are included in the room, and maybe you can picture yourself staying here as well. Here we are inside of our room. We'll point out some of the amenities that are inside here. When you first look in and look to your right, there's a little table and chair set that you can take advantage of. There is a lamp. The thing I like about these rooms are they have a giant window that you can look out of, but they also have these blinds that make them very room darkening if you wanted no light coming in. So I'm going to show you, we're going to put the one set of blinds up, and then there's also a second set that you can put up as well. And you can look outside the window, which is very nice during the day because you can get a very nice view, but it also is see-through. So whenever you're out during the day at the parks, maybe you want to close it so that way nobody can look into your room. But I do love the natural lighting that can come inside during the day if you're hanging out inside of your room. Here are the 2 double beds. They are very nice sized. The mattresses are very firm, and we'll check the pillows really quick. The pillows are nice and plump as well, so they give you a couple of pillows that you can enjoy. Here is the welcome materials that you'll get whenever you check into the hotel. This is a little look at the map, and you can feel free to pause if you wanted to read any of the information. But this is the map where we are at, and you can see we are over here in 5064, and the pool is right in this area. You're also given this little welcome packet, and on the inside there's a couple of goodies that you can take advantage of. Of course, you'll get your room key, and then with the hotel, one of the really nice amenities is the early access or the early entry into the Disney World theme parks. So you can have this connected on the My Disney Experience app, but if it is not connected for whatever reason on the app, you can get this physical ticket to show whenever you're entering into the park. Another thing inside of the welcome booklet is this little passport that has a bunch of coupons for Disney Springs. So if you were going to go shopping or enjoy any of the restaurants at Disney Springs, make sure you take a look at this coupon book first, because there might be a coupon you could take advantage of. Another great amenity is the bus transportation that they have to and from the Disney World theme parks. Now, you do need to make a reservation to ride on one of these buses, and to do this there is a QR code that you can follow to book one of these reservations. This is a little paper that details some of the details for booking that reservation. This is a very handy thing that you can have to book all of your transportation needs to and from the theme park. Another thing I really like about the entryway is this little vanity section here. So they do have some hooks that you can put any of your bags or your coats on. As you see, I have some of my bags here. I plan on putting some lounge flies as well, but I also have some of the jackets that I've been wearing. They are these really adorable little bird hooks to kind of signify that we are in the garden themed rooms, which I think is a very nice touch. I love theming to hotel and resort rooms. I mentioned there is a lot of lighting in here. I love this little backlight that they have that you can flick on and off. If you have kids, maybe this is a good kind of night light to have on, or if you are going to bed early and somebody is staying up, this might be a nice little light to have on, just to have light in the background but not bother everyone else in the room. There's also this huge counter space that you can put any bags or any dishes that you might have on top of here to kind of keep things tidy. And I also love this little shelf that there is. So I brought 3 pairs of park shoes, so I'm going to put all of my shoes underneath here. It's going to keep everything very organized and keep the floor very clean. This is another place you can put a lot of your luggage as well. But they also have a lot of storage areas here where you can unpack if you'd like. In this one here, there is a safe that you can take advantage of, but the drawers are very spacious, and there is, of course, a little coffee machine that you can take advantage of if you wanted coffee in the morning. and there is a little ice bucket as well. Here's a look at one of the drawers. They are very deep and spacious, so there's lots that you can put in there to keep things organized. And in this much larger shelf, there is a mini fridge that you can put things in. I went ahead and got some groceries for my trip, so I went ahead and put those in there. So it is a nice spacious little mini fridge that you can put some leftovers or any groceries that you may get. I think that's very handy that they have those inside of the room. Of course, there is a very nice size TV as well. And then on the back side by the beds, there is this little vanity or little nightstand on the inside. There's a drawer that you can take advantage of. I love all of the plugs that are in this room. So there is two outlets, and then there's also two USB ports here. And then also by the clock, there are other outlets that you can use. Two other lights that point directly onto the beds. They can be flicked on and off, so you can have one on or one off, which is very nice. Also, an adorable little stool that can be easily pulled out if you wanted to use it to sit on, or if you wanted to clear up some space, you can push it back into the little nightstand. So I think that it is a very nice, spacious size room. Look at that green. I love that backdrop that it has. And they are very nice rooms, very nice and spacious. Has a lot of amenities that can keep everything very organized during your stay, but let's take a look at the bathroom. If you are traveling with large parties, a nice feature might be these double doors that you can use. So if you have another party that's staying in this adjoining room, there is this door that can open up that you can have access to both rooms, which is very convenient. There is a very nice barn style door that rolls open and close, which is very nice for the room. And it also doesn't make a lot of noise whenever you're opening it up and close, which is nice maybe during the evening if you need to get up and go to the bathroom. Here is a look at the thermostat. So you can go ahead and set your room to whatever temperature you are wanting it to be at. Here is the bathroom. So there are some cabinet spaces in the bathroom. They have these two little cubby holes to keep things organized, and then a lot of towels in these two shelves on the bottom. Here it looks like we have a hair dryer that you can use. There are little shampoo and conditioner and lotion samples. They do give you little shampoo and conditioner and lotion samples to use throughout your visit, so you may need to replenish these, but they look very nice to use. This is a look at the sink. There's some soap they give you and also some Kleenexes. There is a cabinet here as well where you can hang clothes if you'd like. We'll open it up and see the inside. And the way that you hang up your clothes goes kind of front to back rather than side to side. There's also an ironing board, and there's also an iron, which is very convenient. I might need to use these for some of the dresses I'll be wearing to the parks. And then we'll go ahead and go into the bathroom. The bathroom has this towel rack, of course the toilet, and here is a look at the shower curtain and the shower on the inside. There is this little handle if you need it. Here's a look at the tub, and we'll go ahead and show the shower going. Here's a look at the shower, and let me tell you, there is a lot of pressure to that shower head. So if you are someone that likes something like that, this may be the shower for you. So that's a look at our Wyndham courtyard view room with the two double beds that we're staying at for this visit. But let's take a look at some of the tower rooms, which are another option of rooms that you could stay at. Now we're going to tour one of the Wyndham Lake Buena Vista rooms. This is the King Disney View room. We're going to get a little bit of a room tour. I loved these rooms. We had the chance to walk inside of one to get an idea of what it would look like to stay there. There's the look at the nice king-sized bed. I love the colors of the room. It is more blue themed to give a more of a nautical vibe because these are the Lakeview rooms. And then whenever you go over to the window, you can see an awesome view of not only Disney, but Disney Springs. This would be an awesome view if you wanted to catch some evening fireworks or just to have a nice view in the evening. There's a little desk area that you can do some work, another view of the room, but also I love this vanity area that they have in the room as well. There's a TV, a lot of storage spaces if you wanted to store any of your travel items and essentials. And then going into the bathroom, I love the mirror. There's a lot of lighting in this room. The countertops are great. The shower area is nice, and they have the little shower samples as well for whenever you are going to take a shower. But love these rooms, and another option when staying at the Wyndham. Now, as far as other miscellaneous details you may want to know about before staying at the Wyndham Lake Buena Vista, there is a nightly resort fee for every night that you are staying. The times that I was staying at the Wyndham, it was a $34 a night resort fee, and there's also a parking fee that you'll want to take note of, which is usually $22 a night. So there's a look at what you can expect your stay at the Wyndham Lake Buena Vista to look like. So far for my stay, I've really appreciated the early entry into the theme parks. I found that I've been able to get a lot of the popular rides done before the wait times get super busy later on in the day. Not only that, I have loved the close proximity that it has to Disney Springs. After a long park day, it's very fun to just take the walkway over, get a bite to eat, or just enjoy some of the Disney Springs entertainment that they have there. And of course, the bus transportation, that is super handy as far as staying on Disney property. There are multiple times a day you can get these shuttles to go to the Disney parks, and they also conveniently take you back to the hotel, which is great. Keeps you from having to use Uber or Lyft or spending extra money whenever you are on your Disney vacation. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions as far as staying at the Wyndham Lake Buena Vista. Let me know where you are staying on your next Disney visit, and we will see you in the next video. See you guys!